going to show you how to have your pages side by side, your windows side by side in Word document as you are seeing it now. So let's start. Let me close this one so you will see how I got to that stage. Now, first thing you need to do is when you open your Word document, like when you open your Word document, you come to your menu under View, you click on View. When you click on View, you will come to Window. When you come to Window, you select New Window. Now when you select New Window, you see that another window pops out. So this is the second window that you open, so you can drag it to the side. Now you have your document side by side. So now you have it side by side. You can use it to compare. So when you are on this, the document you want to work on, when you come there, you scroll to compare what you have on the right side. So this on the left side, you can scroll, you can pause. If you find something there, then you can come to the one on the right side, you scroll also, it doesn't affect it. You can also create another third window doing the same thing. You repeat the process. You come to Window, you click on Window, select New Window. Now you have another window. You see, you can drag it anywhere you want it. Either you adjust the size, you bring it down to it the way you want, how you want it. So now you have multiple windows. Now you can see I have this. When I want to work on this, it shows this. When I want to work on this, it shows this. When I want to work on this, it shows this. So this how to have create multiple windows. So when you are done, you can close it if you don't need it. So it's as simple as that. If you find this video helpful, kindly hit the like button and share it also. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification for you to receive updates on my new video. Thank you for